This is Jackie from the Myra Stitch and Post, and we are excited to tell everybody about the brand new Pfaff Quilt Binder sewing machine accessory that has just arrived. And what I thought would be very helpful is if I took one out of the box and showed you exactly what was in the box and explained the purpose of each item. So beautiful little packaging that it comes in, and when you open it up, it doesn't tear, which is a nice improvement. And inside the cover box is a little insert box that simply slides out, and in here we have our quilt binding attachment, which I have right here. You'll take that out of the plastic bag and then you'll just swing that thread guide or fabric guide over. We have our step-by-step instructions. In case my video doesn't help, you can read, but I think my video will do that. We have a sole plate that will attach to your stitch plate on your sewing machine. And we have 3 attachment screws with 2 washers that you will need. And we actually have a new foot that will attach to your sewing machine ankle, because to use your quilt binder attachment with your Pfaff sewing machine, you will need to engage your IDT, and this foot is IDT compatible. So that is the contents of the quilt binder box for Pfaff. And if you watch the remaining videos that we have here in this post, I'm going to take you step by step on how to use this wonderful new tool. This is Jackie from Myra Stitch and Post.